Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy mojito garlic dipping sauce? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that we'll need for this mojito garlic dipping sauce, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let's get started by chopping up some cilantro, some garlic, limes, lemons, and onions. Chop it nice and fast like this. Now you gotta find you a blender and put some extra virgin olive oil up in it, as well as some onions, some cilantro, limes, lemons, some smoked sea salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Mojito garlic sauce goes really good on tostones, which is fried plantains. It goes good on chicken, and I love it on pork. Like I love it on some pané. My Puerto Rican and Cuban familia uses it a lot. And you can also use mojito as a marinade for your meats and stuff. Please excuse my poor video quality. I was visiting my aunt again in New York when I made this video. And once you blend it all up, it's done.
Lisa D Delight.
This mojito garlic dipping sauce came out really, really good. It just elevates the flavor of your foods and takes it to new yummy levels. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Lisa got them dishes, that's